Meet Vincent. He is the owner of a pharmaceutical company. Vincent wants to ensure the timely delivery of medicines to distributors who are based across the U.S. Vincent is in search of cargo tracking devices, which can help in keeping a track of his goods once they are dispatched from the warehouse for delivery. He wants to acquire a device which enables him to deliver goods on time and save on operating expenses. Shenzhen E-Link Communication Technology offers the latest range of cargo tracking devices which can enable businesses to keep a track of the environmental condition and location of their products. These devices can be used for ensuring precise tracking of even small containers. Our product range also includes trailer tracking devices, vehicle GPS trackers, industrial tracking devices, etc. Vincent has bought a cargo tracking device from E-Link Tech. To know more about our product range, call +861 5989 326 996 or visit elinktech.com.